AxisAI review. Hey there, welcome to my review of the AxisAI software app launched on Warrior Plus. We're going to take a look at a demo inside the members area to see what strategy is being used, how it works, and the pros and cons of this approach. Before we dive into looking at AxisAI, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. I earn a full-time income online working from home doing digital marketing. Been doing this for over 10 years now, so hopefully all that experience of seeing lots of different software launches come and go will help you out as you check out AxisAI reviews. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done for you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click the link in the video description below for that number one recommended online system. So with AxisAI, there's quite a lot of hype on the sales page, and it doesn't really make it clear about how it works. And there's also a bit of disconnect between how AxisAI is presented on the sales page and the reality of what you get inside the members area. The sales page focuses in on getting free buyer traffic to any website or link by essentially building backlinks to it and then driving traffic that way. The bullet points here are very much focused on creating backlinks or selling backlinks to clients as a freelancer and using those backlinks to rank on the top page of Google, get traffic, and to promote whatever offers you are promoting. It's quite strange that the headline doesn't even refer to backlinks, and then all the bullet points, a lot of them refer to backlinks. So it's quite confusing. There's a bit of disconnect between this headline and the hype, and then some of these bullet points, which are more technical, tools-based bullet points, and then the reality of what is actually inside the members area. So let's dive in to look at the demo of AxisAI to see about how this actually does work. Basically, it looks like you've got a backlink generator, which is the main tool inside the members area, and you can choose what type of backlink you want to generate. They give you a number of different backlinks, such as a guest post backlink, where you're making a comment at the bottom of the post, which is the comment backlink. A post backlink would actually be more you're posting an article or a blog post yourself. You've got a guest blogging backlink, where you're posting an article or a blog post on someone else's website, and you either pay them money or you get them to approve for free your content in exchange for a free backlink pointing back to your website to help it rank in the search engines. You've got these badge backlinks and also PBN backlinks, which are these blog networks you can use to get posts on them pointing back to your website, and lots of service providers provide those type of PBN backlinks to your website. So the first part of the backlink generator is to choose what type of backlink you want to generate. And then the second part is to basically give them the URL of the domain name you want to promote. And this is where the disconnect comes in. Even if you select you want a PBN backlink or a guest post backlink, this backlink maker seems to be some sort of free submission tool to stats websites such as Similar Sites and Alexa Site Advisor, who is. So you're basically submitting your URL as a new website to these stats websites. Eventually, if you create a new domain name, you buy a new domain name and put a website on it, these stats websites will pick up your website eventually via the Google crawl process. So just by existing, just by having a website, you'll get free backlinks from a lot of these stats websites. AxisAI seems to speed up the process by submitting your link for free to all of these stats websites to make it quicker, that they'll crawl your website, pick you up, list them on their website, and give a link pointing back to you. These are not going to be the most highest quality backlinks, but these are just good starting point links to point back to your website. So these are not generating guest posts or blog comments or PBN links, which would be much higher quality links. These are simply providing a free tool to submit your URL to these stats websites to get a backlink from them. This is only going to work for the main .com or the main top level domain. It's not going to really work for a guest post or another separate specific page you've got on your website. So it's only going to work really for brand new websites. I think there is value to submit your brand new website URL to AxisAI and this stats-based tool. However, it's not really the backlink generator it claims to be. It's not the sort of thing you can run a monthly backlink campaign to one specific page targeting one specific keyword. It doesn't really seem to be that kind of tool. There seems to be a disconnect between how that works and the way it's presented. You've also got some other YouTube, you've got a YouTube ranking tool packaged into it, where you can try and rank your YouTube videos. You can also create thumbnails and use other people's videos as a starting point for your thumbnail template, and then you can edit them, or you can take a screenshot from someone else's video, download the image, and then re-upload that as your own YouTube thumbnail, and also use their drag and drop editor they've got to improve your thumbnails. You've also got a number of free website analytics tools, which also fits in with the backlinks, because you can research how other people are ranking their websites, the stats associated with their pages, such as the load speed, the type of WordPress installation they've got, the titles, description, the meta tags they're using. You can see what backlinks they've got from other websites. So you can mimic their process based on these website competition analysis tools by trying to get your backlinks posted on the same websites, and also trying to improve your website speed or structure based upon the stats that these tools are returning for your competitor website, including checking the website page load speed, which could potentially be a rankings factor. They've also got a free AI rewriter tool, which is quite a useful method to use if you've got an old article or an old blog post. You can rewrite that into fresh content and submit that to other social media websites, submit it as a guest post for backlink purposes. So I like those AI type rewriter tools, letting you repurpose existing content for traffic and backlink purposes. That's quite a good tool to use. And this is the thumbnail generator editor, so you can create a thumbnail using the YouTube ranking tools and then edit it using this software. You can also use this for infographics and posting graphics on the likes of Pinterest or Instagram, so you don't have to use it just for YouTube thumbnails, but it's quite a good, useful drag and drop editor to help you create YouTube thumbnails and then see which works the best to make your video stand out and get the most clicks back to your videos. So all in all, there are some quite useful tools in the AxisAI software, and I definitely think some of them are valuable. Some of them are free tools you could get elsewhere, but it just makes it easier to have it all aggregated into one members area, so you don't have to keep logging in and scrolling and having lots of different tabs open in your browser. But there's definitely a disconnect between how it's presented on the website, saying you could easily rank a website, get tons of backlinks, tons of traffic, tons of sales just using the AxisAI app. That's not the case. The reality is it's a useful free domain submission tool with some useful website analytics and backlink competitor research tools you can use to help get an idea of how you can improve your own SEO based on what your competitors are doing, and lots of other tools packaged into it, including thumbnail generators. So definitely good tools, just not as exciting as the sales page makes out. Anyway, hopefully my AxisAI review was of help. If you want to discover how I earn a full-time income online with affiliate marketing and how I've been doing this from home, going strong for over 10 years now with the same process, then you can click the link below. Click that link in the video description below. That's my #1 system, a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, building that list, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my AxisAI review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.